If you just got Goldeneye for the Nintendo Switch and you're trying to play it in the modern style, with the left stick being to walk around and strafe, fire as normal, and aim, and using the other stick to aim around, just like in the modern way. I'm going to show you a quick tutorial. Hopefully it's less than 3 minutes. So, in the pause menu of single player, it only works in single player. You have to change the setting to be control style 2.2 galore because the original N64 controller didn't have an extra joystick for you to do what I'm going to show you. So I recommend 2.2 galore just to speed it up a little bit more for me. The setup was a little easier for it. So I'm just going to show you quick what to do with your two controllers. So you would want to change the button mapping. Change grip order first. And you take your right Joy-Con has to be player 1. You could make it more complicated if you want, if it's going to work better. But I recommend right hand is player 1, left hand is player 2. Then you go to the gear system settings. Go all the way to the bottom and you'll see controllers and sensors. So you select controllers and sensors, change button mapping. Now you're going to notice I already have some wrenches, and on the map on the right side you'll see what I changed, the orientation, and one of the buttons I changed it because the trigger has to be this way unless you map it. So we go to change. I selected one of these two buttons up here. You could choose whichever one. I chose ZL. And once I selected it, I was able to change it to any other button I wanted. So the check mark, I had it on SL. So whenever I press this button, it's the same as pressing this with the single Joy-Con. And then I went to control stick settings. And I did this for both controllers so that I could have aim and looking around feel like modern style. And you change the orientation from off to on. And it's basically going to change it from, instead of it being up, pointing this way when you press it, it's going to change it to being upwards like a normal hand. So if you press up with this, in this orientation, it will go up. So now you have to save those settings, having this be inverted to up, and one of these two buttons be your SL button, and then that will quickly change it to walk around or aim around with your right stick and walk and strafe with your right stick, just like a normal modern control. I hope this helped, and I hope this makes Goldeneye a better experience for everyone.